Welcome back to Quiz Blitz. Guess the 50 rare animals. Let's see how many weird and strange animals you can recognize. First rare animal. Is it an axolotl, a nectarus, or a dragonfish? It's an axolotl. A sea cow, a manatee, or a seal? It's a manatee. A blobfish, a gummy fish, or a pink fish? Do you have the answer? A blobfish. Is it an ii, a tarsia, or a slow loris? It's an ii. A pink cat, a sphinx cat, or a Roman cat? A SPHYNX cat. Is it a tapir, a pangolin, or an armadillo? You can do it! It's a pangolin. Is it a koala, a quokka, or a wombat? A quokka. A marker, a mouflon, or a capra? A marker. An island dragon, a Caribbean dragon, or a Komodo dragon? A Komodo dragon. A sawfish, a saw shark, or a saw ray? It's a sawfish. A blue fish, a blue squid, or a blue dragon? A blue dragon. A dugong, a sea wolf, or a narwhal? Guess the animal. A dugong. A mouse, a gerbil, or a jerboa? It's a jerboa. A night bear, a sun bear, or an anteater? A sun bear. A scorpion mosquito, a scorpion fly, or a flying scorpion? A scorpion fly. Guess the dog breed. A Bernese mountain dog, a Pulley, or a Shepherd? A Pulley. Is it a shrew, a mole, or a field mouse? A shrew. A red panda, a guinea pig, or a tapir? I'm sure you know it. A tapir. A newt, a salamander, or a tree frog? A salamander. A lionfish, a pufferfish, or a stickleback? A pufferfish. A fisher, a badger, or a wolverine? A wolverine. A terrier, a borzoi, or a greyhound? It's a borzoi. A beach marten, a ferret, or a skunk? Think carefully before answering. A skunk. A bush baby, a pygmy marmoset, or a tarsier? Guess the animal. A tarsier. A Risso's dolphin, a sirenia, or an electric dolphin? Guess the animal. It's a Risso's dolphin. A mouflon, a Himalayan tahr, or a Rocky Mountain goat? Can't wait to see your answer. It's a mouflon. A tiger ray, a leopard ray, or a lion ray? A leopard ray. A saiga antelope, an okapi, or a bongo? It's a saiga antelope. A caracal, a serval, or a sand cat? A caracal. A stink bug, a forest bug, or a harlequin bug? A stink bug. A proboscis monkey, an orangutan, or a mandrill? Who thinks they have the right answer? A proboscis monkey. A marabou stork, a lesser flamingo, or a shoebill? A shoebill. Guess the animal. A sunfish, a flatfish, or a rayfish? A sunfish. A red-nosed seal, a hooded seal, or a clown seal? Guess the animal. A hooded seal. Animal 35. A savanna cat, a wildcat, or a serval? A savanna cat. Is it a polar ant, a white ant, or a panda ant? A panda ant. A cassowary, a rhea, or a kia? A cassowary. A scarlet ibis, a flamingo, or a purple heron? A scarlet ibis. A Madagascar chameleon, a scaly anole, or a thorny devil? A thorny devil. A squirrel monkey, a tamarin, or a pygmy marmoset? A tamarin. A capybara, a mara, or an agouti? A mara. A pygmy chimpanzee, a bonobo, or a mongobe? A bonobo. Animal 43. A Latham's parakeet, a black cockatoo, or a rainbow lorikeet? A rainbow lorikeet. A tenrec, a hedgehog, or a shrew? A tenrec. A leopard gecko, a crested gecko, or a day gecko? A crested gecko. Not easy. A white-faced saki, a marmoset, or a pied tamarin? This is a tough question. A white-faced saki. A kiwi, an apteryx, or a takahe? A kiwi. A cassowary, an emu, or an ostrich? Guess the animal. An emu. Is it a green frog, a glass frog, or a crystal frog? A glass frog. Not easy. A quoll, a numbat, or a bandicoot? It's a quoll. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.